Are you looking for a simple and proven way to make money online? What if I told you there was a way you could make $300 a day or more just by typing some names on a website? Sounds unreal, right? Well, if you are interested in learning about this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, you'll want to stay tuned to the end of this video, as I'll be walking you through all you need to know and do to begin earning today. I will also be giving you one very important trick to maximize your earning potential on this website, so make sure you pay attention and watch this video to the end. According to this website, you stand to earn about 5 cents per word, or name, that you type on the page, and a page can contain roughly 300 words. So, you could be making about $15 for every page of names that you type and submit. So let's say you were to type 20 pages per day. You'll make $15 for every page. So if you can complete 20 pages in one day, you'll make around $300. If you can do this for a month, you could earn up to $9,000 simply by typing random names. If you feel like you could do even more than that, and you type up to 35 pages per every day for a month, that earns you $525 per day and over $15,000 per month. And the great thing about this is that there is no limit to how much you can earn. The higher the number of pages of names you can submit, the more your earnings will increase. So you can decide to type 20, 25, or even 35 pages every day, and you can still expect to get paid for each of those pages. You can't argue that this is a cool way for you to finance that vacation you've been planning. Now, the website that I'm introducing to you in this video is talentdesire.com. And this website offers many more money-making opportunities besides just typing names. They offer money-making opportunities in medical transcription, online proofreading, affiliate marketing, and a whole other range of tasks. But this one is by far the easiest and most profitable. It works simply. You only need to fill up a page, or better yet, several pages, with some random names, submit these pages, and get paid. That is, of course, after you've completed the rigorous registration process. And sadly, this is where a lot of people get it wrong. Now, I don't want that for you. So in this video, I'll be walking you through the step-by-step procedure on how to properly register on this website and start making money. Like I said earlier, there are a host of different tasks you can perform and earn money. But for the purpose of this video, we will focus on online typing jobs because it is one of the easiest ways to make money on this website. And who doesn't like to make easy money? To get started, open the webpage talentdesire.com and scroll down to the end of the page. At first glance, you will see all the other job offers that are included on this website, from content writing to language translation. What you want to do is find the option that says Online Typing Jobs and click on it. You'll be directed to its own webpage that boasts a minimum possible earnings of between $13,500 and $27,000 every year on this website. You'll also notice on this webpage that there are no hidden costs or sign-up fees required for registration. This offer is completely free. You will also notice that the website pays according to your writing level, from beginner to expert. Whatever level you are at, it doesn't stop your chances of getting rewarded if you complete a task. All you need to do is simply register for a free account and start completing tasks. They do require that you be at least 16 years old to register for this, and that your typing accuracy is between 98 and 99.99% to earn. If your accuracy falls below the 98th percentile, your work will be returned to you for correction, and your payments will be held till you can resubmit the said work. This takes us right into the bonus tip I had to share with you, and that is to get yourself a typing certificate. This website does not require you to have a certificate, but getting one will give you a leg up when you register, and it will immediately increase your payment rates. And I'll show you a website where you can get one of these certificates for free. The website is ratatype.com, and on this website, you can take a speed typing test and get certified for it. When you get to the home page of the website, click on the Start Typing Now icon, and you can begin to type on your phone or on your laptop. The website calculates how many words you can type per minute and your accuracy, and then it gives you a report that shows your typing speed and accuracy that you can download as a certificate if you're satisfied with it. Remember that to earn on Talent Desire, you want your typing accuracy between 98% and 99.9%. So if your certificate shows a typing accuracy rate below these requirements, then it's practically useless to you. The great thing about Ratatype is that you can retake the typing test, as many times as possible until you become satisfied with your accuracy, and then download the certificate. You can also take a touch typing course on the website if you feel you need to brush up on your typing skills a little. But the first step you have to take to get your free certificate is to sign up for a free account. And the process is really simple. You can just sign up to become a user just by providing basic information about yourself, like your name, email address, and preferred password. After you've provided that information and agreed to their terms and conditions, all you have to do is click on the sign up icon and you are in. You then have to click on the certificate icon and you will see that your certificate has been awarded to you for typing in English. You will also notice that the site has provided a ratitype signature on it to show that it is legitimate. The only thing left to do on the site is to scroll down and click on the print icon. Or you can just save the certificate in PDF form on any device you're using. Did you just say convenient? Yes, it absolutely is. This certificate will be very important to you going forward, because having it means you can get paid for more jobs and get access to better, higher paying jobs. Now, let's get back to Talent Desire and register to start earning money. When you return to the Typing Jobs webpage on Talent Desire, what I want you to do is click on the red icon at the bottom of the page that reads Get Started. And you'll be redirected to a page where you can begin to apply for jobs. You need to pay very close attention at this point, because as I said earlier, the registration on this page is quite tricky. On the new webpage that opens up, the instructions on the registration process are scrolled down and clicked on the option to select an application form. This will bring you to another page, where you can choose from the different methods of registration available, online and offline. Since we're interested in working online from our homes, you'd want to select the option that says Online Application Form. Then you scroll down on the new webpage that opens and click on the red link that says Fill in your details to apply and work with us, and you'll be directed to yet another webpage. Here you can actually begin with the process of registration. The first step on this page is to accept their privacy policy by ticking the box that says Accept, and then you can begin inputting your name and other relevant personal data required of you. The drop box that appears when filling out the resident country segment shows that the website accepts applicants from all around the world. The next step is to fill in your professional data. This is a very important aspect of your registration, and where many miss it. To ensure that you are considered for more jobs and paid even more, you'd want to fill out the preferred job title field with Professional Data Entry Specialist. And then in the field that asks what time of day is most appropriate for you, you want to select all day, because it opens you to jobs at any time of the day. Then you can go ahead and choose the most convenient option for you to receive your money: PayPal, wire transfer, or direct bank deposit, as well as your current professional status from the options provided, including housewife, self-employed, student, etc. After doing that, do not forget to sign your name, which you can do by just typing your name in the space provided for a signature. Then, tick the reCAPTCHA button to confirm that you're not a robot, before finally clicking on Submit, which confirms your registration. All that's left is to wait to be accepted, and then you can begin to receive different types of typing jobs and get paid for them. So there you have it. A step-by-step guide to earning $300 to $500 per day online. And until next time, when we reveal yet another great online money-making opportunity, have a good one.